Hey guys, welcome to my home once again. So me Chef Devjeet will be sharing a recipe once again with all of you. Today I am going to make a pan roast chicken in Indian style. Do try at home and let me know in the comment section below. And if you haven't subscribed my channel, please do it so that I get inspired and you get more recipes. So without further delay, let's start cooking. As you can see, I have brined this chicken for overnight. If possible, you can keep it for 24 hours as well, but I have kept for 15 hours. So we have to blend all these vegetables and the spices. 3 cardamom, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorn, 3 bay leaves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 5 cloves, 1 teaspoon fennel, 1 tablespoon cumin and coriander, around 6 number garlic, 3-inch ginger, 4 numbers of green chili and 1 medium size onion. Also I need lemon, vinegar, salt and water, and keep this ingredient aside. Now put all the ingredients which I have shown you previously in a blender jar and make a chunky paste. You can use some water so that it can blend nicely. So you can see our spices are blended. Now in the pot where we will brine this chicken, it should be a deep pan. Just put all the water, like 2.5 liters of water. Take room temperature water only. So in that, put the salt, 5 tablespoons. It should be really salty. Then vinegar and all the lemon, that 1 full pieces of lemon, squeeze it. Put the lemon inside the water only. Now put the blended spices. It should be really flavorful. Even if you have some coriander leaves, you can blend that as well and give. I don't have it today. Just taste it, it should be really salty and sour. Now it is time for chicken. Try to get a smaller chicken with skin. Now with the help of a fork, just poke the chicken all over. On the thigh, on the breast, so that the flavor can go easily inside. But make sure you should not damage the skin too much. Now we are almost done. Now in the brining solution, put the chicken, but make sure this breast side is inside the brine. Now it is fully immersed. Now cover it and put it in the refrigerator for overnight. So now we will be making the marination. For that I need 400 grams of yogurt which is hung for 12 hours, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of softened butter, 1 lemon or lime, big size. In the spices I need 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoons of kasuri methi or fenugreek leaves powder, 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoons of chili powder, you can use more, 1 tablespoon of cumin powder and 1 tablespoon of garam masala powder. And I need some mustard oil. Let's make the marination. Put the yogurt in the mixing bowl and add ginger garlic paste. Then add the softened butter, lemon juice, and just remember, keep this lemon skin on the side, we will use it later. Now use all these spices. Now with the help of a whisk, make a nice marination. It should be smooth. Even you can use your hand as well. Now add the mustard oil, around 2 tablespoons. Then add salt to taste. Make sure you taste it in the end. So our marination is ready. Remove the chicken from the brine. You can use this water for making any flavored rice, which I always do. Now from the neck side, you can see there is a space. Put your finger. You can see I'm trying to push my finger inside so that there is a space in between the skin and the flesh. So now I will go towards the leg and the thigh. You can see my finger is going all over the chicken, and you have to make this space, then only all the marination will go inside. In the same way, do it on the other side. So you can see my finger is on the thigh. So now it is done. Now take marination in a spoon. Put the spoon inside the skin. With the help of your finger, remove the marination and press it towards the thigh. So again I will put some more, and it is going towards the thigh. Now thigh is done. I will put on the breast side. Do not leave any space. In the same way I will do on the another side. Now you can see inside the carcass there is blood. So put the marination there as well, so that it gets more flavor. Now in the bowl there is excess marination. Put the chicken and marinate from the skin side. So it is completely covered. Now keep it in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. So now we have to arrange the pan for roasting. I kept some lemon skin while brining and some thick slices of onion. You can put also some garlic, ginger and some garam masala, whole spices. It is as per your choice, so that it doesn't get burned. Now this chicken should be going inside the pot. The breast side should be on the top. Put all the excess marination from the bowl on the chicken. Just put some mustard oil on the top and cover it. Then put it on a high flame. Cook it for 10 minutes. After 10 minutes you can see it has released so much of juice. Now cover it and reduce the flame to medium. Cook it for another 10 more minutes. Now you can see it is catching the bottom, so use very little water on the side but not on the chicken, and repeat this. Now cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. Now you can see there is so much of nice color on the oil, so it's nicely caramelized. So with the help of a spoon, use this oil on the top of the chicken, and you can see some nice charred color. Just put it on the chicken. Now again cover it and cook it for another 10 minutes. So after 10 more minutes, we have to check it with the help of a knife. From the thigh side, you have to cut it and check. If it is cooked from the thigh part, that means our chicken is done. So there is some nice color. Just put all the oil on the top, cover it, give a standing time for 10 more minutes and present. So here is our pot roast chicken. It looks yummy.
So what you are waiting for? Go to the kitchen and make this pot roast chicken for your family. My family is waiting for me on the dinner table. I hope you enjoyed this video. Do try at home and let me know in the comment section below. Till the time, bye bye, happy cooking.